What's up, market snipers? This is Jesse. Bitcoin is pumping back above $35,000 again. The weekly chart is ultra bullish. This is what we're going to cover. And if you stick to the end of the video, we have some opportunity alerts on crypto and BTC miners. But first, let's jump right into these charts on Bitcoin. And we want to know the question that we want to know is how long could this pump last? How long could this rally last? How high can price go? Those are all things that we're going to find out right now. This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. As you can see, we had the buy signal way back here, followed by bearish divergence, followed by the sell signal. And then we had another buy signal back here in September. Price regained the 200-week moving average, kind of battled it for a couple of weeks, and then took off to the upside, right? So this is target number 2 of the 4 targets. The first target is right around this range, but I took it off the chart just for visual purposes, right? So it is an uptrend, is currently ultra bullish. And even on the monthly chart, we had a MACD bullish crossover. We talked about it on another video, and we've been talking about it in the live streams as well. So how long can it last? Well, there's a couple ideas, right? So first and foremost, if we continue to see this bounce and we look over here, just keep in mind, before we jump into it, I'm going to put a vertical line on here, April 2024, right? And we're going to come back to why we're kind of looking at this, right? So many times, assuming we get another bull run for Bitcoin, assuming we get another crypto bull run, right? Many times price will pump up before the halving, whatever targets it is, 1 target, 2 targets, 3 targets, or even 4. And then before the halving, price actually drops back down, puts in a higher low, and then the real bull run begins, right? So that's assuming if we get another bull run. We don't know if we're going to get another bull run. Obviously, it's never a guarantee, but assuming we get another bull run, I want to show you a couple of charts, right? So obviously we have this Bitcoin halving clock, 163 days left, and it's the halving date. It's an estimate, right? So April 13, 2024. And if you come over to this chart, the halving tracker, right? So you've got the halving tracker. You can follow them over there. I've been following them for a couple of years, and it's pretty wild that the past cycles play out very similarly, right? So if you look, had the peaks around here, right, back in about 550 days in. And then we had bottoms, right around the 900 days, right? And then it's kind of been on this rally. Obviously, the rallies and the all-time highs haven't been as high of a high percentage as it has in the past. So you could say, diminishing returns, right? You could say that. So had the peak here, had the bottom here. It's been rallying, put another higher low so far. And as you can see on this chart, from the bottoms, right? The bottoms lined up around 900 days. It kind of hits this peak before the halving at just past or right, very close to about 1,300 days, right? So we're past 1,250 days right now. So let's just call it, another 40 days, or call it 30 days, or another month, right? So if this continues to play out similar, you can see that price could possibly continue to pump up into that 1,300 days, another 30 to 40 days from now, and then have that drop before the halving, and then price takes off to the upside for that next bull run. So assuming we get another bull run, assuming there's another big drop before the halving, this is how we'd kind of see it play out, right? We'd see it come out. So this is October, the end of October. Say if it pumped up all the way until the end of November, right? Maybe it hits target 3. This is target 2. Target 1's down here. Target 3, and then target 4, right? So assuming it comes up into, possibly target 3, and then comes back down to retrace, and then you could see it kind of come out like that. And so that next opportunity would look something like this, right? So you would see it get rejected, and you could draw out another trend line. price comes back down. Maybe it's a little bit higher. Maybe it doesn't even drop that far. And you see the 200-week moving average kind of moving up. Maybe it comes back, retests the 200-week moving average one more time, and then takes off to the upside, right? So that is the potential. And that's assuming if we get another bull run, that's what it could that could look like. And we're looking at the halving, right around that 8th or 15th, that 13th, based off of the Bitcoin halving clock is April 13th. So it would be somewhere either on the beginning of the 15th of the week or 2 days before, which would be the week of the 8th, right? So that's what we're going to be watching. Now, for the Bitcoin, for the opportunity alert, right? Say if you miss this move and say you're feeling a FOMO, fear of missing out, right? You really missed it and you're feeling really bad about yourself. Instead of chasing, this is what I talk about all the time. Instead of chasing Bitcoin now, I have some possible opportunities where you might forget about this whole Bitcoin move, right? So we're going to take a look at it. And I've already laid it all out. Before we do that, definitely smash that subscribe button, and smash that like button, and it helps me help you, help me, and we're going to keep going, right? So quick look at Bitcoin dominance is also still hovering right around 54% on the weekly chart, has regained the 200-week moving average. These targets were built out way back here in December 2022 when it was breaking out, right? Many were in disbelief that we'd hit target 1. Many were in disbelief that we'd hit target 2. And many didn't think we'd hit target 3. And the probabilities continue to increase that the Bitcoin dominance will also hit target 3. So we'll see. It's never a guarantee, but it's currently ultra bullish on the weekly chart. Let's jump right into it. Let's get into Ethereum. Ethereum, also, you might be chasing it at this point, right? This is all based off the weekly chart. So maybe you didn't nail it perfectly on the daily chart, but there's so much opportunity still based off of the weekly chart. So I kind of put this loading sign, this loading symbol here, kind of at the target 2, right? So Ethereum's only retraced to target 1 so far. Will it hit target 2 like Bitcoin, right? So that's why I put that. Will it possibly break above target 2 and come up and hit target 3? If it does, it's still an opportunity at this point to the middle of the target. It's still a 30% move, but it might not be the best opportunity at this moment right now based off the weekly chart. So that's Ethereum. We're gonna rock through all these crypto assets. We're gonna rock through the Bitcoin miners. So stay tuned. We've got this crypto and Bitcoin miner possible opportunity alert. Solana, right? We've got a buy signal back here at 23, call it $24, consolidated for a couple of weeks, blasted through these shorter term targets here based off of the daily chart, right? Now the weekly candle has gone ultra bullish, very similar to Bitcoin, right? It's already hit target 1. If it were to play out very similar to Bitcoin still moving forward, could we see Solana hit the middle of target 2? It'd be a 70% move from here, and it would be a move from this weekly buy signal back here at $24 all the way up to the middle, almost 200% move. Why am I showing you this? Why am I talking about a 200% move? Stay tuned. Watch. You're going to see on Matic, Cardano, Near, Dot, and there's several other ones, but I don't have time to go through them all, right? We're going to go through them, and I'm going to show you why. But first, we're doing a little bit of research. We're doing Bitcoin research. We're doing Ethereum research. We're doing Solana research, and we're going to do a couple more research, and then we're going to show you the opportunity, right? So that's Solana. Chainlink, right? If you kind of zoom out here in Chainlink, had that buy signal back here. And then since then, it kind of consolidated a couple weeks, right? And then blasted through this downward trend line, blasted through. And then this is the second week for Chainlink that we've had a ultra bullish weekly candle on Chainlink, right? So I put on this loading symbol for target 1 from here. Would I want to chase right now? No, I wouldn't. But that'd be about a 43% move, right? Now, moving on to Matic. Matic, here is a potential opportunity alert on crypto, right? So you might be a little behind. You might be chasing a little bit based off the daily chart, but the party could just be getting started. We don't even have a pending buy signal on the weekly chart. We could have a pending buy signal in the very near future, right? But what a move it's been from the buy signal down here on the daily chart. The buy signal down here is at just above 53 cents. It's currently up 25% so far. And if we come up and hit this, if Matic comes up and hits his target, from this current place right here, the middle of the target one's 40%, right? So still a lot of opportunity. And the weekly chart hasn't even flipped bullish yet. The weekly chart doesn't even have a pending buy signal yet. We're just now seeing a green trending dot as of right now. But we could have a pending buy signal on the weekly chart any moment. So take that for what it is. That's Matic. Let's keep going. Cardano, pending buy signal on the weekly chart. Before we talk about this, let's talk about down here. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold on. Here is Cardano weekly chart, right? Back here on this candle, there was a pending buy signal, and then it closed without a buy signal, right? Then we had a pending buy signal in Cardano early in the week. I've been talking about this on the live streams. I've been covering it every single day. So if you're not following us on the live streams, definitely follow us on the live streams. We're covering it every single day. We've put out multiple videos with Bitcoin and crypto breaking out 1 month ago. We had other ones as well, right? Link, bullish, right? Going back 1 month ago. So follow us and join us on the live streams. If you can't join on the live streams due to work, due to education, all of that stuff, your own business, all that stuff, then you can watch it on the replay and you can see it from there. But we have a pending buy signal on Cardano, right? And it's already hit two shorter term targets so far. And it's looking like a potential massive opportunity from here. If assuming we get the buy signal, assuming it breaks through these shorter term targets, assuming it flips these shorter term targets into support, assuming price comes back up and retests the 200-week moving average, that's 110% bounce from here at just under 31 cents. If price comes all the way back up here and hits the middle of this target, where the loading sign is, where Bitcoin has already hit, where Chainlink is heading, where Solana is heading, where Ethereum could be heading, right? Could be 190% potential bounce. It's still early. Many people probably still aren't buying yet, right? Still fearful out there. We don't even have a buy signal on the weekly chart yet. Near starting to take off, right? It was lagging. It was lagging time-wise behind DOT, behind Cardano, behind Matic, in my opinion. And now Near has passed DOT, as catching up to Cardano. What a massive potential opportunity it is for Near, right? You drop down to the daily chart, and it just started to blast through the targets, right? Nailed this back here, just under $1.04, right? Quick sip of water. Let's rock and roll. Then we had a buy signal here at $1.05. Hit target one, hit target two. I added to my position here at about $1.13, right? And then just exploded through the targets. It just exploded through, and it's ultra bullish on the daily chart. However, it could just be getting started, right? It could just be getting started. We have a pending buy signal in hindsight, right? Which we're talking about this way in advance, foresight. Look how close we are to the bottom still. Massive potential opportunity, even at $1.50 from here. From here at $1.50, right? The first target, over 200% potential, right? What if it hits target two and comes all the way up here and hits over 400%? What if it comes up and hits this target over almost 600%? What if it hits this fourth target? Bitcoin hasn't even hit this target yet, but what if it rallies hard and hits this target and gets 700% on Near? What an amazing opportunity. Great time to be a swing trader. Great time to be a market sniper, right? DOT, opportunity alert, very similar to Matic. One of the laggers, one of the final ones without a pending buy signal on the weekly chart. But I can tell you, it's about to flash bullish. It's about to flash with a pending buy signal any minute. Probably by the time I even upload this video, there might be a pending buy signal. That's why I'm trying to go fast. That's why I'm trying to get this video out and get it out to everyone tonight, right? So hit target 1, hit target 2, hit target 3. It's about to hit target 4 on these shorter term targets. If it does, right, then we see a pending buy signal, the probabilities continue to stack that we're going to see a larger bounce. And could we hit that target, right? From this move here, $4.73, let's call it, to the middle of the target, over 200% bounce, right? From the current price of $4.74. What if it hits target 2 at 400%? What if it hits target 3 at 500%, right? Massive, massive opportunity. And what if price comes up here over 650%? I am personally in DOT. I am personally in NEAR. I am personally in Cardano, all spot positions. I'm always in Bitcoin position for spot. I'm not in a leverage long position for Bitcoin. I usually am in either a leverage long or a leverage short with Bitcoin at all times. I'm only in spot Bitcoin as of right now. So that is the opportunity alert for crypto. Those are the potential targets for Bitcoin. Now, if you want to do stocks instead of crypto, or you want to do a little bit of both, I'm in both. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Don't copy trade me. And these are high risk assets, right? They're fast movers. But let's go to GBTC. We're going to jump back here, do a little bit more research. We've got research to GBTC, hit target 1, hit target 2, fill this gap. It's trending towards target 3, very similar to Bitcoin, right? We're going to do a little bit of research here. Micro strategy, hit target 1, hit target 2, trending up, right? That's micro strategy. Riot, hit target 1, hit target 2. These are fast movers, just like crypto altcoins, right? Has come back up and starting to flip around. There's no buy signal on the weekly chart yet. We do have a buy signal that just closed today on the daily chart. Yesterday, I was talking about in the Discord, it looks like we could be looking for that next breakout. So I added to my position. I was already in a Riot position back here, right? I got in back here. It pumped up, it hit target 1, retraced for about 4 or 5 days. I just added to my position today. That is Riot. Now, the potential is the weekly chart isn't even bullish yet. What if, and it's already starting to look like it might gap up a little bit tomorrow. What if it regains these trending dots? What if it regains that 200-week moving average, right? And we get a pending buy signal in the near future, maybe this week, maybe next week. Back above the 200-week moving average is over 40%. Back to retest target 2, almost a 95, call it a 95% opportunity. All the way to target 3, 140% potential opportunity. Over 200% if it happens to hit target 4, right? Too early to say. It looks like it found key support at a very key market sniper target area that we look for. It found support. There was bullish divergence on the daily chart. And here we go. Rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen, right? Bitfarm, no buy signal on the weekly chart yet. There is a buy signal based off of today's close today, right? Hit all 4 targets to the downside, found key support, and it's bouncing off of this key retracement support, right? A 60% correction over 2 months. This thing could pop off any moment. We've already hit target 1. I was already in a position back here. I held. It's still the same thought process. I added to my position, right? So we're expecting target 1. What if price from $1.10 comes back up, hits target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, 55%, back to the 200-week moving average, call it 100% bounce, very similar to Bitcoin. What if it regains the 200-week moving average, similar to Bitcoin, similar to Ethereum, right? What if it comes back up here, hits the middle of the target, 130%? What if it fills this gap at 142, and so on and so on? That is Bitfarm. Marathon Digital. We're already at 20 minutes. We're going to keep going here. We got 2 more to get through. Let's rock and roll. We got 2 more big opportunities. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Help me, help you, help me. Let's keep going. And our goal is 100 likes. We're getting very close to that goal of 100 likes. Please help me get those 100 likes. It helps me out a lot. Marathon Digital, another buy signal today. I took the breakout here, right? I held through this 4 or 5 days consolidation, found support of the trending dots, and got another buy signal today after a quick sell signal. I held through all of that, and I added to my position here. Here's the opportunity for Marathon Digital. Current price, call it $9, right? What if it comes all the way back up to the 200-week moving average? 78% opportunity. All the way to target 1, 145% potential opportunity, right? Let's keep going. HUT had a buy signal back here. I entered back there, right? I held through this. Looks like it found support and is bouncing off these trending dots. I did not add to HUT. I was already in too many positions. And so I put on here loading this target here. Let's go back to Marathon Digital real quick. Where is the loading? There is the loading right there. Loading that target right now. Just give our market snipers a massive bounce. Let everyone participate. Let everyone fill their bank accounts, heading into the halving, heading into the potential correction before the halving, and then heading into the potential next bull run, right? Just give our market snipers a nice, massive bounce. What if HUT from this price here regains the 200-week moving average of 58%? What if HUT regains this target box here at 100%? What if it hits target 2 at 190%? These are massive opportunities. Thank you for all of your continued support. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.